to our online tango classes. We are Bulent and Lina. Today we are learning Barridas from back ocho, parada, and sandwich. The movement starts from a side step, back ocho, forward step in Barridas or drag leg, and repeat. To exit, we can resolve with parada and pasada from previous classes. And continue to walk out. To execute a beautiful back ocho, you can refer to a separate technique video on beautiful back ocho made simple. For followers, after landing on a side step, we will use the big toe of our free leg to draw a straight line passing our heel, extending our leg all the way to the back position. The second half of the back ocho is generated from the big toe of the free leg. Use the big toe to draw a U-turn very close to the heel of supporting leg and directly extend to the back position. After the leader leads a full ocho, his foot will contact the foot of our free leg. It means stop or parada. We will bend our balanced leg, allow the sheet of paper pass through the heel, so then the leader can easily drag our leg forward. For leaders, start with proposing a back ocho by initiating a side step to your left. Close your feet together, change weight, but avoid transferring the energy of weight change to the follower. Now, close your right torso to rotate the follower backwards. You can accompany the back step of the follower with a side step to your left. Close your left torso so followers can make a half back ocho to your right. Contact the follower's free leg with your big toe. Pivot to close your heels together. A good leader always avoids over-leading. Careful when we mention leading a back ocho. We always allow the follower to start the ocho, and then we accompany their pivots. We copy the follower's timing, extension, and landing. One more time. Side step, change foot, side step, parada. Side step, change foot, side step, parada. Barridas. After leading ocho, sandwich. Make a forward step diagonally and drag the leg of the follower all the way to your forward position. Close the sandwich again and repeat. Pay attention to the line of the movement from sandwich. It is not a side step, not a forward, but at 45 degrees. The leg drag happens with rolling in your knees and drag the leg forward in a circular motion. One more time. It's not side, not forward. It's a diagonal step forward, so the follower's foot has the space to pass through. Prepare by rolling in your right knee. Drag the leg in circular motion till the end of the movement. You can now repeat the Barridas 3 times. To exit from the sandwich position, the leader needs to open up a channel for the follower to finalize the movement. He will first open his torso, use his right toe to draw a circle until his leg is crossed behind the supporting leg. Land and allow the follower to pass through in pasada. After the first pasada, leader can transfer your weight towards your left leg. Use your right toe to make a palada again, so the follower can make a second pasada and she will finish in front of you. Pause. Relax to the floor and walk out. One more time. Side step, back ocho, sandwich, forward step in barrida or drag leg, and repeat. For followers, you can refer to a separate technique videos for follower on making a beautiful pasada.